If you're thinking about filtering your water at home and you have a refrigerator filter in place, you might be wondering, how effective is that filter really? Most refrigerator water filters are based on carbon block technology, which can make them broadly effective at removing a number of different contaminants, as long as they are maintained properly. Let's face it, most people don't regularly check and replace their refrigerator water filters. And the majority of carbon block filters are only good for a couple of months. This means if you've never changed your refrigerator's water filter before, it might actually be making your water quality worse because carbon media can foster significant bacterial growth over time. The bottom line is refrigerator water filters can be effective with proper maintenance, but we don't suggest making them your first and primary filtration solution. To find the best filtration system for your home and water, have your tap water tested in a certified drinking water lab, then use those results to pick the best water filtration technology that's best suited to your water's unique profile. Well, I hope that was helpful. If you do have further questions, please leave them in the comments below and we will get back to you. See you next time.